Welcome to VENI'S kitchen. If you like this recipe, like it and subscribe my channel.
Hello friends, today we are going to make bread pudding. The ingredients for this is, we need milk, 1.5 cup. This is the measuring cup, and we need 1.5 cup. Approximately it is like 300 ml. And then we'll take 6 slices, and I've cut off the sides, so it is 6 slices of bread. And then you have, this is 1.5 cup of sugar, that is approximately, again it is 300 ml. And then you have 1/4 cup custard powder and 1/4 cup of milk powder, and then 2 spoons of ghee. Now let's get started. Now let's start with caramel making, and for this we need cake tin. Like I've taken, this is a cake tin. So we will make it with a very slow fire. We will take 2 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of, and then we will take 2 spoons of water, and then we will allow it to get caramel. Now it is getting slowly caramelized. We don't have to make it very dark. We'll just allow it to make a little light brown in color, and then we will turn off the stove. This is the stage. We shall turn off the stove now. We shall keep this aside and start off the next process. We shall grind this bread slices. So we shall put this into the mixie and grind it to a paste. Now let's start off the next process. We'll take the pan, keep the stove on low flame, and add the sugar. And as soon as we add the sugar, let's add the milk also. And then let's mix it. Now while the milk is boiling, we shall just make a small paste of the custard, add a little water, and make this into a fine paste. That is a thick paste, so that it doesn't become a lump when you put it into the. And now this we shall slowly add into the milk. Gradually mix it. Now we shall add the milk powder. Once the custard powder is added, we'll add the milk powder into it and allow it to mix very well. It is gradually getting thickened. Keep the flame on low, as I told you earlier. Now as we get, as the milk gets thickened, we need to add the breadcrumbs slowly into this. So this is how, once the milk gets thickened, we need to add this slowly until we need to keep the flame on low again, and then mix it very well. See to it that there is no lumps. Stir it well. And now you can add 2 spoons of ghee into it. And again mix it well. So we need to mix it until it becomes this thick. So you can see the consistency how it is. This is how you need to make it. And now we'll turn off the stove, and then we shall put this mixture into the caramel that we have already done. We'll gradually put it into it. Put the entire paste. Now we shall take a steamer like this, and I'll place a bowl inside this. You can just see the bowl should be just immersed into the water this way, like this. And then now we shall keep the bread pudding into it and allow it to steam for 30 minutes. Cover it and then close. After the final touch, this is how this pudding would be. We'll just remove this from the vessel. So we'll give it a cut. Now we will do it as we do it for the cake. So now we will just reverse this, give a small tap, and then now this is how the pudding would look finally. Then we can just refrigerate this for 1 or 2 hours, and then we shall have it. Thank you.